Welcome everyone. Here we are on Minnesota Key. We're heading up to the Venice area beaches. It's home to the richest fossilized shark tooth deposits in North America. They're from the Miocene and Pliocene epochs, which is about 5 to 23 million years old. Well, let's go see if we can find some shark teeth. Here we go. Here we are at one of the Venice area beaches. I think this one is Broward Beach. And we're gonna take a look and see if we can find any shark teeth here. We will be checking out a few beach areas. We are at one of the shark tooth beaches. Today it's pretty good actually. A lot of people are out there with their nets, getting it just slightly offshore. And you can see right where the breaker is here, all those shells, that's where they're really contained. Very clear water today, perfect.
Good clear spot.
Get some of those wave roots coming. Pretty good water today here in Venice Beach. We're at the main beach, and that seemed to be about the best today. We went to a few other areas and checked it out, and did find a few pieces, but actually found some teeth here and some vertebrae. Look pretty good. We'll check it out in a bit. One of the amazing things around here are the shark tooth sidewalks. They're all around the beach area and in town, and you'll see megalodon-sized teeth embedded in the sidewalks here. Little sand tiger, lemon shark teeth, little bull shark teeth, all around the area. Lots of sidewalks have it. Check it out. This is the kind of beach area that really can produce some good shark's teeth. When you see a line of shells like this, they hide in the shells, and they're right in the water area. They tend to wash up right on the beach. So you gotta spend time. It takes a little time, but once you get used to spotting them, you can see them pretty easily. Some are very small too that people walk right by. They also shine. They're highly polished. You know you get even a piece of one when you feel it because they're highly polished feeling. They're very smooth. Oh look, you can see a little tiny one right there. Right here. small one, but here is a, see how shiny it is against some of the other items. Highly polished. So we're finding pretty good stuff in here, a few whole pieces and actually some vertebrae, some actual shark's teeth. Pretty good today. And it can change almost at any time because of the wind direction, how rough the sea is. It has been pretty lame lately, at least for shark tooth finding, but this was pretty good. It was a fun day checking out the beaches of Venice. There's 2 or 3 you can certainly check out, and you never know which one might have some shark teeth going that day. No luck at one, they're just a few miles apart. Drive around, check them out. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching. We're going to show you what little treasures we found here in just a bit, so check it out. Here's another beach area, right in the area. It's Blind Pass Beach. There's some sea grapes, non-edible. Anyway, Blind Pass Beach, right at Sarasota Key. Really cool area. Just gonna check this out for a second. Very cool park area here. Blind Pass Beach, right on Sarasota Key. It's also Shark Tooth Beach. They get shark teeth here as well. Pretty cool area. Very cool, very large beach area here. Very nice. Well, that was a great day at Venice Beach. What a spot. Great fun. Nice summer day. And some great finds. We're going to check those out in just a bit. Well, here we are back at the vehicle. We're going to take a look at what we pulled out of Sarasota Beach and the beaches area of Venice. Here we go. Check this out. All different kinds today. And that took about 3 hours with 2 of us hunting, but some very nice ones. Just depends on the day and the weather. All of that has a big effect on it. I've come and only got a few little pieces. Today was pretty good. Give it a try. Venice area, Sarasota Beach, Venice Beach. They're all pretty close to each other. Drive around. They're not that far apart if you don't have luck. Go step into the water about 3-4 feet. They're usually right in there or up in the shore in the shells. A lot of colors today. Very easy to find if you spend the time and pick up every little piece of black pointed thing you see. Well, thanks for watching. Sure appreciate it. Tune in again. See you next time.